What's up, guys? It's Andrew with Boone MX. In one of my last videos, I tested out the Tread Doctor and shared my first impressions. Now that I had more time with it and felt how the tires performed, what's my final verdict? Overall, I think the Tread Doctor is a solid tool that does exactly what it's designed to do. The build quality is great, it's easy to use, and I was impressed with how efficiently it cut through the rubber. I'd say this tool is especially useful for trail riders and those who don't ride as often, where having fresh tread isn't as important. Since trail riding is generally lower risk, this makes it a valuable tool for casual riders who don't go through tires as quickly, but still want to save a little bit of money until their next set. As a weekend warrior constantly pushing to improve, I did notice some benefits from cutting the tread. It helped regain some of the traction I felt like I didn't have, and I was able to put a couple more weekends of riding on tires that had about 40 hours on them. However, I didn't feel as confident in turns or on fresh sections of the track. I found myself sticking to berms, avoiding rougher areas, leaning the bike less, and hesitating to accelerate hard out of corners. Knowing that my tires weren't in the best condition definitely affected my confidence and performance on the bike. When I recently put a fresh set of tires on the bike, the difference was night and day. The level of grip and control was immediately noticeable. I felt like I was on rails, even in areas without a rut or a berm. With the fresh tires, I could push harder into corners, lean the bike more aggressively, and trust that the traction would be there when accelerating out of turns. I didn't have to second guess my line choices or adjust my riding style to compensate for worn down knobs. Whether I was hitting rougher sections, loose dirt, or slicker hardpack, the bike responded predictably, allowing me to ride with more confidence. Compared to the worn down tires I refreshed, where I found myself hesitating in turns and avoiding certain sections of the track, the fresh tires gave me the freedom to ride at my full potential. It really reinforced how much of a difference good rubber makes, not just for performance, but for overall confidence on the bike. Would I recommend the Tread Doctor? It depends. If you're a trail rider or a casual rider looking to extend the life of your tire, absolutely. But if you're hitting the track often and pushing your limits, fresh tires will always be the better choice for performance and confidence. That's all I have for the Tread Doctor. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of the video.